डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पिछली क्लास में हमने 8085 माइक्रो प्रोसेसर का कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर देखा। देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर, जिसमें से दो फेमस कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर हैं, वॉन न्यूमन आर्किटेक्चर एंड हार्वर्ड आर्किटेक्चर। तो आज वी विल सी व्हाट इज़ वॉन न्यूमन आर्किटेक्चर एंड हार्वर्ड आर्किटेक्चर एंड डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू architectures. Nowadays we use the advanced one, that is the Harvard architecture. Von Neumann architecture is the architecture which is based on computer stored program computer, and it is the ancient microprocessor architecture. So you can see the diagram of von Neumann architecture. It was developed in 1945. Here you can see the CPU. Here this is CPU, which contains registers, program controller, arithmetic logic unit and the control unit. All this you have seen in 8085 microprocessor also. Then there is a separate input output system, and another one system is the main memory system. Means your microprocessor CPU interacts with memory as well as IO system, IO unit. So in this architecture, the same physical memory addresses are used for data as well as the instruction, and 2 clock cycles are required to execute the single instruction. It is cheaper as compared to the Harvard architecture. Now let us see the Harvard architecture. This is the Harvard architecture. This also contain the same CPU, that is the register set, then program counter, arithmetic logic unit and control unit. This is the same as that of in the von Neumann architecture. Here also the input output system is there. Here also the main memory system is there. The difference is that the separate memory addresses are used for instructions and data. Means separate address for instructions and separate memory address for data is used here. That's why it is faster. It takes 1 clock cycle for execution of one instruction. Its cost is higher as compared to the von Neumann architecture, and its CPU can access the instructions and the read-write operation at the same time, whereas in von Neumann architecture the CPU cannot access the instructions and read-write operation at the same time. Harvard computer architecture is mostly used in microcontroller and the signal processing, whereas the von Neumann architecture was used in PC and small computer. So you can see the difference between von Neumann architecture and Harvard architecture. This question is important for the CSVT examinations also. So you can have the differences as I have already told it to you, and you can make your own notes and you can write the answer to the question that describe the difference between Harvard and von Neumann architecture.